The most interesting thing in impact. Edelman releases their 2024 annual trust barometer, and Canada has some explaining to do. I've combed through the entire report, both global report and the Canada report, and there are three numbers in particular that are of interest. First, Edelman monitors Canadians' trust in four major institutions: NGOs, government, media, and the business sector. And Canadians' trust in NGOs continues to hover around 50%. It's gone up a percentage point since last year, but over the past 7 to 8 years, it's been on the decline. Think about that for a second. Only about 50% of Canadians trust NGOs. And by the way, when you break that number down even further and you disaggregate it, when you look at specifically Indigenous people's trust in NGOs, it drops to 40%. That's not good. How can you drive systemic change with a number like that? Where does the legitimacy to do the work, programs, services, advocacy, etc., where does the legitimacy to do the work come from when only 50% of Canadians trust NGOs? Why is trust in NGOs so low? And what can be done to reverse this trend? What actions can be taken for NGOs to become more trustworthy? Trustworthiness is absolutely essential to creating lasting social change that is genuine and authentic. Here's a second number that's important. Business is the only institution with a significant trust gain between 2023 and 2024. They gained 5 percentage points. They went from 52 to 57%, beating out NGOs. How is this possible? Why do more Canadians trust business more than NGOs? And more importantly, what did business do last year that made them more trustworthy? What actions did they take? The report doesn't go into this, but this is something that I am very keen to examine. And thirdly, when it comes to Canadians' trust with the introduction of new innovations into society, ensuring that they're accessible, safe, beneficial, and understood by the public, NGOs scored only 47%. So less than 50% of Canadians trust NGOs to introduce new innovations in society in a safe and accessible manner. Think about all those social innovations, from blue box recycling to 211 to kids' help phone to the registered disability savings plan. These are all innovations introduced by NGOs. Should NGOs be seen as trusted to introduce new innovations in society, especially at a time when it's urgently needed? Are social innovations really misleading or social bashing or worse, harming people in communities? I think it's time to take a closer look at the negative externalities generated by social innovations. Because here's the thing. The trust climate in Canada is fragile, and NGOs have a ton of work to do if they want to make meaningful progress on the causes we all care about. It's time to take trust seriously, and that's the most interesting thing in impact. See you again.